What's going on, guys? Decelation. Brian.
What's going on, peeps?
Today, Brian's back. He's still a little on light limited duty, though.
Yeah. Definitely not anything too heavy.
Yeah. Heavy stuff reserved for me. Yay! But yeah, we got this shelf completely cleared out. We got the ladder moved. It's time to disassemble and reassemble a shelf. We're getting kind of good at this, which is a little annoying.
Yeah.
But it is what it is.
We're good.
Now I gotta find my ladder. Ah, right there.
I was going to say, I don't think we were hurting for any ladder department.
No, we're not hurting the ladder department. That ladder, that ladder, that ladder. There's 3 ladders in the corner there. It's just more so find which ladder I want to use. But, alright. We're going to get to work because it's time to get to work.
Yeah, I had to do something. Really, he just brought me down so I could turn on the louder stereo system.
He's not wrong. My little speaker is not as loud as his surround sound system, effectively. So, yeah. Welcome back, guys. We got a lot done from what you guys just saw. Ain't that right, Brian?
We did. Even with my physical limitations.
Yeah.
We got some stuff done.
We definitely did. He's just sweeping up right now, but boom! Shelf over there. So this area feels way more open. It's insane. Yes, there's still crap everywhere. We're working on it, okay? We're working on it, people. But right here, we still got to turn this 90 degrees. So this shelving is just temporary. We're waiting for Masha to build her own studio, and I'm giving her these shelves. she can have them. So, but in that case, for right now, they'll be better suited facing this way, opening up space all around here, and a little bit more space this way. But yeah, so it's coming. It's coming along, and we've kind of made a decision. If you guys wanted electrical motors or any of this electrical equipment, you're kind of out of time. We're tossing it. We're done.
We're done.
We're done. Nice.
I might keep one or two of the small ones to mess around with, but yeah, I don't need those giant. I turn huge, gigantic fans in cooling towers and places, fans, motors.
Yeah, like this one.
That's it.
This one right here, I can't move that. That one's gonna be a job for that. We're just going to stand out the way, hold the button, and hit raise and move. Ain't that right, Brian?
That's about right.
But yeah.
Yes, yeah, I might keep some of the small ones and see if I can mess around with them and make something out of them. But
yeah,
we're just throwing the rest of them in the bin over there, and we're gonna raise the bin up and put it in his truck. Then we're gonna go to the scrap place right down the road and get some beer money.
Beer money is key.
Down payment on the lift money.
That's probably more important.
Yeah, because Masha's out buying this beer right now, so it's fine.
Yeah.
We don't need beer money.
Yeah, Masha's buying beer.
We have Masha.
Thank you, Masha. So, yeah, we need a lift. But man, this is really opening up over here. Looking good, looking good.
We definitely need a lift, because Gary's got to put the emergency brake on his cabin.
You and this emergency brake thing. This guy over here. But no, yeah, we're gonna finish up and we're gonna get back to work. We have a couple things we need to finish up for today. Like, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I think so. That needs to go up there.
Yeah.
So we don't knock it over.
That's more so why I want to do it. It's not because I really need a TV right now. It's just because I'm afraid of knocking it over. So, yeah. We figure we'll get that up there. Welcome back, people. Brian,
What's going on, peeps?
are we excited about what we just did?
I think we are.
Ooh. Yeah, you're right. 60 inches was perfect.
Yeah, it fits very nicely up there.
It does fit very nicely up there. I'm pretty happy. It was only a little sketchy getting it up there. just a tad.
It is. It's a little bit awkward.
The reason why you saw us going around messing with different drills and tools and stuff, the anchors we didn't have anything that had enough oomph to mount them to the wall, except for one thing that had way too much oomph.
Yeah, the impact driver definitely had way too much oomph for those little tiny screws.
It sheared it instantly. Like, it wasn't even full spool yet. It was just like, snap.
But in order to get to that point, we had to change fittings and install new fittings and find other fittings and then get tired of looking for fittings, so just cut the end of the hose off and put a new fitting on. So now, our hose by the door has fittings that fit all of Gary's tools. That's the only one in the shop that fits all of Gary's tools.
You know what that means, Brian?
Probably doing some swapping out there.
That's what that means. We're going to be swapping out fittings because I think it's easier to change 2 more fittings than it is to change 7 tools, 8 tools. Just a tad. But admire the TV. I'm happy. But yeah, we're going to call it for today because we've had enough fun for today.
Yeah, definitely had enough fun for today.
So enjoy. Well, it actually looks more spacious in here. We're just moving that shelf over there. We're not going to talk about that one. But yeah.
We have made up our mind with that one, though. In the next one, you're going to see us taking all the crap off of that shelf, minus a couple small motors, and we're just throwing it all in there.
Yep, my metal trash. Although, maybe not the big motors. We may just, instead of all the other electrical crap, toss it in there. And the motors, we just pull the truck in here and we drop them in the truck.
Yeah, the biggest ones. The smaller ones we probably just throw in there.
Yeah, the smallest ones would be fine. But I don't know how much weight that bottom will handle.
Oh, that's true, too.
That's what I'm more concerned about. Yeah, we'll figure something out. But thank you guys for watching. I really do appreciate you guys. If you like what you see, subscribe. We're going to keep working. And also comment down below. Tell us what you think. And hit that like button. Brian?
Couple more weeks, people, and we will watch Gary put the emergency brake on the car.
True. All right. See you guys. Peace.